10 months ago I posted a video about making UK garage in the style of Sammy Virji. Today I want to redo that tutorial but with everything I've learned since then. Better sound, better drums, and a better approach overall. So in this video I'm gonna show you my updated workflow step by step. This video is divided in two different remakes, which you will discover as the video goes on. Having said that, let's take a look at the drums. I showed you this technique in a past video. I think it was the Soul Mass Transit System one, and basically it consists of adding drum loops that you can barely hear just to give your main drums more presence in the mix and add more character. So let me show you. Here I added a couple of plugins, but I want to talk about this one in a specific called Transient Processor, which is absolutely sick. It's a dynamics processor plugin that basically it shapes the transients, so you can change the body of the sound, and it basically lets you give your drums more punch or less punch or more presence or more weight in the mix. And I'm actually doing the complete opposite because I want to reduce the release so it gives you a sensation of a shorter, tighter, and more controlled groove that supports the main drums without taking over. Next we have the bassline, and you're probably going to recognize the song just by listening to it. It's divided in two different layers. The first one fills up the low-mid range and carries the character of the bassline, and the second one is just a clean sub-bass for the low end. These sounds start from a very simple bass. The main oscillator is set to basic shapes, which give us a clean sound to begin with. On top of that, I have the noise oscillator enabled, so it's actually being sent to the envelope 1, so it follows the same amplitude movement as the main sine wave or oscillator 1. Then we're running everything through a low pass filter, which help us keep the sound like it just removes some unnecessary high frequencies. And to add a little bit of life and movement, I noticed that the original sound or bassline had this pitch modulation, and what I did was that I routed the coarse pitch to the LFO1, so it's a very subtle change, but it creates like a slight pitch variation that makes the sound feel less static, you know? It gives you a slight wobbling pitch effect. So that's pretty much for the sound. Is very simple. Now let's take a look at the sample. and I was a bit lazy to remake this build up, so I took it straight from the audio. I used two vocal samples. The first one is Limb by Cutty Ranks, and the second one is No Other by Sammy Virji together with the Raga Twins. This is how they sound.
A ball while some of them all are. Sight them a come me such a light scanner. Send a army a man. Free protect with border. Tactically place MC on every corner.
Lord of mercy. Kill them.
Before we move on to the next remake, I just want to remind you of two things. First, the FLP for this video is completely free, so I hope you enjoy it. Second, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to support the channel. Otherwise, I'll be gone for another 5 months and all you'll have left are Max King production tutorials. So is that really what you want? Let's go! Nah, jokes aside, big up to Max. Go support his channel, he's putting up some fire content right now. So now, let's get back to the video. One thing I really love about Sammy Virji is the way he uses very simple sounds, and he doesn't rely on any complex sound design or stacked layers, yet he still manages to create patterns that are incredibly catchy. Everything is played so well that it naturally makes you move your head, or at least that's what happens to me, and it's a great example of how simplicity works when used with good timing, and groove in this case can be more powerful than overcomplicating things.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
And now let's take a look at the bass line. Let me transpose the bass up 1 octave so you can hear the notes more clearly. And I'm really proud of the final result. I think it turned out extremely well, so let me know what you guys think in the comments.
Joke, but don't take we simple. Just a entity take person. They must check say we are friend, they must check say we are spar. Come on, me face, now them ready for the war. Couple they pan a punk, and them a ten bazaar. All some a ball, while some of them all are. Sight them a cook and me such a light scanner. Send a army a man, free protect with border. Tactically place MC on every corner. Me and the bad man, call the barrier Virji. Ambush them with the fire. When Virji a come, I bring the pepper. You know say we are like a war. Lord of mercy. Kill them.
get killed, duck a dill dill. You better sign on the will, duck a dill dill. A boy get killed, duck a dill dill. Look up in the barrel. Limb by limb we a go cut them down, send for the oxa. Check out them down. Limb by limb we a go cut them down, send for the oxa. Check out them down. When them see me, see the hit man a come. See me, say me just can't done. See me, see the hit man a come. See me, say me just can't done.
It is written in the stars. This enchanted love of ours will burn bright day and night forever, my love.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
Thank you.